Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today here we make tutorials on topics that you might find helpful in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on how you can make your own post on Reddit from your mobile. Now, doing a Reddit post on the PC is super easy, and on the phone it's a bit complicated, and many of the first time users of mobile Reddit might not really know this, so this is for those people out there. So as you can see in the bottom, we've got this bell icon, this chat icon, a plus, compass, and the home icon, right? So in order to make a post, what you want to do is click on that plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon over here, create your title, test, that's going to be the title, and then basically click on the text right here. If you want, you can put images, videos, links, and whatnot. And optional body text is going to be this is a first time post test, and that's about it. So after that, all you want to click on is next on the top right corner. It's going to ask you where you want to write. Now I'm not going to post it anywhere, so I'm just going to discard it, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.